Hello guys, my name is Arsalan. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to solve a new lead code question, that is count asterisk. So guys, just before starting to solve this question, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. Sorry. So let's start reading the question. You are given a string s where two consecutive vertical bars this are grouped into a pair. In other words, the first and second pair make a pair, and the third and fourth make a pair, and so forth. Return the number of stars in s excluding the star between the pair of this pipe. Note that each pipe will belong to exactly one pair, so I am calling this as a pipe. I don't know, uh, and this is star. So guys, I hope that most of you have understood this question, but yet I know that some of you have not understood the question, but I will explain it to you deeply what exactly they are asking from you. So the question says that we have to return the number of count of asterisk. So this star we called as asterisk. uh, we have to count these. So you can see that there are 1 2 3 4 5 there is 5, but you might be amazed by that output is 2. So how come output is 2? Output is 2 because we do not have to count the star which are in the pair of this pipe. So the first occurrence of pipe and second occurrence of pipe, if the star comes under this, it you will not count this. And moreover, similarly, third and fourth occurrence of star you will not count it. However, in the between third second and third occurrence, which means this is the second occurrence of pipe, and this is the third occurrence of pipe. So uh, between these two occurrences, you can see that there are two stars still, so we will count these two. So they are also saying the same here in the explanation below. You can read this for more clarity. And I am a programmer here also. There is no star, so we will be remaining with a count of 0. And this is the first occurrence, this is the second occurrence, so we will be counting these two stars, and then we will move on to this uh, first occurrence, second occurrence, and 2 count. Then we will just move on to this count and this count. So there are 3 here also, so we will be counting this as well, and so on. So I hope that you have understood this question now. So if you so let's move to our Visual Studio Code to solve this question for better understanding. So I will be moving to my Visual Studio Code, as I have already done this question. So I will just explain it to you how we will be solving this question. So what logic I am going to apply here is that I will be creating an array. Let's say ARR is equals to s dot split. Okay, so I will be just returning ARR. If I just return ARR, so I will be just explaining to each and every step, so it will take time. I will return various values so that you can have a better understanding and clarity of the question. So if I just return ARR and run this code, so you can see that there is this a whole word in an array. Now if I put this condition, I put a pipe in between, and if I run this code now, you see that I have got multiple string in an array, like L, this, 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 and this. So guys, what I am gonna do here is, in the question you can see that we only have to count the between third and fourth and fifth and sixth, like here. So you can see we can say that we can skip, like we can take a step of 2. We could say that we can take the step of 2. If I take the step of 2, which means that I will be only counting L, this I will be counting L, I will be counting C star star O, and I will counting this empty string. Let's delete this and run it again now. So see, I will be counting L, C star star O, and this, and in this I will be counting just the star. So I will be creating another variable, another data type that will be our integer, and in that I will be just saying that for chars or asterisks in our ARR, for asterisk in our ARR, if or for characters makes more sense, for chars in ARR makes more sense to me, and I have to just increase the count. So for that I have to check in that. So I will say that count is equals to 0. So we will be using a count function to count the asterisk. So I will be saying the count plus is equals to chars dot count star. So what guys, what it will be doing here is it will be counting the number of occurrences of a star. So I have to return, what do I have to return? I have to return count. So we already know this will be giving us a count of 0, this will be giving us the count of 2. So just before running this code of what we have done here, let's check what we have got. So we will be getting 2 and 0, and now let's run this and check for an answer. So you see that it has been running successfully. So this was all they were asking from us. So I will be just copy and paste it here to make sure that what we have done is correct. Okay, so just make some indentation correct, and after that you will be just running the code, and let's run it now finally. So see, it has been running successfully. So this was all in the question, guys. I hope that you have understood the logic and understood the question, and if you still not have understood this question, please ask me in the comment section about your doubts. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.